want your nails to be as long as mine? Do you want to have longer looking nails? Do you want to grow your nails very fast and have it looking very long and natural? If yes, then you are in the right place, and I'm going to show you how to grow your nails very fast, how to grow your nails longer using all natural ingredients. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to share this video with friends as well, so that they too can come get the good stuff I have going on this channel. So what we'll be using to prepare this nail growth treatment is flaxseed, and I have a ton of flaxseed in here. So I'm going to take out some amount of flaxseed, and this is how flaxseed looks like. Flaxseed is this flat, shiny seeds that you see here. You can get it from any supermarket close to you. The flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is excellent for promoting nail growth. So flaxseed also contains micronutrients like vitamin B, magnesium, potassium, zinc, and protein, which are essential for the overall nail health. Flaxseed can help treat nail cracking, splitting, drying, or brittleness. So I'm going to show you how to use this flaxseed to get a longer nails very fast and naturally. I'm going to get a pan, and I have flaxseed here. So I'm going to put in some water in this pan. After putting in the water, I'm going to add flaxseed in it, and I'll be adding 3 teaspoons of flaxseed. So I'm going to boil this. I'm going to boil this for about 10 minutes. So while the flaxseed is on the fire, I'm going to stir it using a wooden spoon. So I'm going to just stir it like this to make sure it doesn't get burnt. So the flaxseed is beginning to boil, and I'm just going to keep stirring. After boiling for a few more minutes and the water is almost dried, you see that the consistency of the flaxseed begins to change. So the consistency of the water used in boiling this flaxseed begins to change to something sticky. So I'm not going to allow this water to dry off completely, so I'm going to bring it down. So guys, this flaxseed is freshly off the cooker. So as you can see, it is very sticky. So the consistency has changed a lot. So I'm going to transfer it into a small bowl. And I'm just going to allow it to cool a little. So this flaxseed here is still very hot, and I'm going to let it cool. It is still hot, so I'm going to stir it till it becomes warm. So now that the flaxseed is nice and warm, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. This is the consistency that you will get when preparing this nail treatment. So flaxseed is also excellent for hair growth as well. Flaxseed is going to help ground your nails very fast when you carry out this treatment. Another thing I like to do is to get a cotton ball. So I'm going to get this and then just dip it in this flaxseed that I prepared and apply it on my nails. This way my hand is not going to get messy. So I'm just going to make sure I get the juice and then apply it. After applying this on your nails, leave it on to dry. So you can carry this the whole day. You can apply this before going to bed at night. You can apply this as often as you want because it doesn't have any side effects. It's going to strengthen your nails and help your nails to grow longer and faster. So I'm going to get out the seeds and then just leave it until it dries. So guys, if you love this video, if this video was helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button right below this video to be notified whenever I post new videos, and please share this video with friends as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.